I'm excited to be able to tell you about our new Wrap and Tap system from Etiflex. It's a revolutionary way to tag your items with inspections and other safety data. The Wrap and Tap system uses no tools. You simply wrap the tag around your item and tap it into place for a permanent fixture. So let's take a detailed look now about how this works. Okay, let's talk about how the Wrap and Tap labels are made. The Wrap and Tap fastening system is comprised of three parts. 1, the soft loop-like material. 2, the label, the Etiflex patented label construction. And number 3, the hard hook-like material that is behind this word right here, Wrap and Tap. This is showing the back side of the label. What makes these labels so good is not only do they have the Etiflex patented label design, they also have a fastening system that requires no tools. You simply press this loop onto this hook when you wrap it around, tap it into place, and you'll have a permanent bond. In fact, the permanent bond is so good that you have to cut the label to get it off. Now, let's talk about the two different types of Wrap and Tap we have. Wrap and Tap 1 is very common for pipes, ropes, and smaller items because it comes with a predetermined length of loop already attached to the label right here. So it's a one-piece unit. You can cut this label to the length you need and then wrap it around and tap it into place. This particular label is used for a fire hose, so you could punch out the serial number and then punch in the date. What made it so good for that application is a fire hose has a 10-year useful life, and this label has 10 years of inspection. So you can use one inspection label for the entire life of the fire hose. Again, that's a testimony to the durability of the Etiflex labels. Now, on Wrap and Tap style number 2, which is these two right here, you see there is no loop. The entire back side has that special material hook of ours, and you would just take a piece of loop, cut it to the length you need, and wrap it around your item. This is commonly used when someone uses the Wrap and Tap label like this on a lot of applications. So like a fire hydrant, which is a big piece that wrapped a loop around the fire hydrant, and you simply place this over the seam so that you have a little bit on either side of the seam that holds it all in place. And again, it's a permanent bond. You can write anything in this blank field using a permanent marker or laser etcher, so out in the field you can quickly label a pipe or rope with the information you need. So now let's see how they're applied. My favorite part of the video. I always get so excited when I get to show the Wrap and Tap and how it's put on. Because it's so easy, people cannot believe that it requires no tools, yet it can be permanently attached to all different items. So here we go. We're going to start out with a Wrap and Tap 1, very similar to the one you saw in the video earlier. I made these samples up for this video using standard Velcro. So no, it's not permanent, but I had to do that so that I could demonstrate it and be able to remove it. If that was an actual Wrap and Tap, you wouldn't be able to take it apart and you'd have to cut it off. So here we go. As you can see, this is very similar to the one I showed you earlier. The only difference is that one's a little longer. What I did is I measured how much we needed. I went in, cut it with the scissors. Now, in order to apply this, it's very simple. You simply wrap it around the hose, put it into place, bring it around, tap it into place. Now, you have attached to a fire hose label that will be there for 10 years. And believe me, you won't be able to pull it off. You have the serial number, and you have 10 years worth of inspections. When I say it's easy to use, what happens is you use the Etiflex punch right here, and you go in, look through the site, and locate it over the month and year, simply punch it. And each year you punch your inspection, your annual inspection. A label that will last as long as the hose. Now we'll talk about the Wrap and Tap number 2. The Wrap and Tap number 2, we use this sample you saw here. Again, has all the special material on the back. And then it has a piece of loop. This particular piece we have here, I've already cut to length and measured around the fire hydrant to make it easy. Normally you'll get this in a roll and you just cut off what you need and take it with you. So in this case, the first thing we do is take approximately half of the Wrap and Tap number 2 and place it right about halfway down the label in the center, tap it in place, and then we take it, put it around the fire hydrant, and again, wrap it around to where the seam is, Put it in place, give it a couple of good taps, and now you have a label that's permanently attached. Notice up top of the fire hydrant we had a rapid tap number 1 so that we could punch the inspections in. You can use that same design of the number 1 and make it a number 2 so it fits all different sizes of hydrants. In general, our labels are used in every type of industry. It could be anything that you're fastening, from a synthetic rope like this used in offshore oil and gas operations, where we have a rapid tap number 1 for inspections, or maybe just a rapid tap number 2 up here that tells all the capacities and it's engraved with all the information about what the rope can handle. From there, the possibilities are endless where you can find this attachment. So, the most important thing you got to remember is when you leave to go do a labeling job, make sure it's a rapid tap you have in your toolbox. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our Etiflex products today. Whether you were looking for a patented inspection tag, GHS tag, or product ID, Etiflex can make that product for you. We even make custom logos and custom layouts for your tags. Please remember to check our website regularly, especially the gallery page where we post new videos and ways that our products are used. So remember, when it comes to Etiflex, we specialize in innovative, patented, durable products.